Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with the frustrating Samsung TV error code 189, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into what this error means, why it happens, and how to fix it quickly and easily. Whether you're a tech newbie or just want a straightforward solution, this guide will have you back to binge watching in no time. First off, let's break down what error code 189 actually means. This code typically indicates a problem with your TV's network connection or firmware. It often pops up when your Samsung TV can't connect to the internet properly, which can interrupt apps, updates, or streaming services. If you've seen this error, don't panic. It's usually fixable with a few simple steps. Now, what causes this error? The most common culprits include unstable Wi-Fi signals, outdated software, or issues with your router. For instance, if your TV is too far from the router or there are interference problems, like from other devices, it might trigger this code. Other causes could be a corrupted cache on your TV or even a temporary glitch in Samsung's servers. In 2025, with more smart devices in homes, these network errors are becoming more frequent, so understanding them is key. Alright, let's get to the solutions. Start by restarting your TV and router. Unplug both devices, wait 30 seconds, and plug them back in. This simple reset often clears temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, check your Wi-Fi connection. Ensure your TV is connected to a strong network and try forgetting the network on your TV settings and reconnecting. Next, update your TV's software. Go to Settings, Support, Software Update, and install any available updates. This can fix bugs causing the error. If you're still stuck, clear the cache for your apps. Head to Settings, Apps, select the app, Storage, Clear Cache. For more persistent issues, perform a factory reset, but back up your data first as this will erase everything. Finally, if none of these work, contact Samsung support or your internet provider. They can help diagnose hardware problems. Remember, staying on top of firmware updates can prevent this error in the future. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more tech fixes. See you next time.